how to get cheap car insurance in Brampton. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to lower your car insurance costs in Brampton. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Insurance rates vary by provider, especially in Brampton, so the best way to start is by gathering quotes from several companies to see who offers the best deal for you. If you have home or renters insurance, bundling them with your car insurance can lead to a discount. Many insurers offer reduced rates when you combine multiple policies. One way to instantly reduce your monthly premium is by selecting a higher deductible. Just be prepared to cover more of the cost if you have to make a claim. In a high risk area like Brampton, having a good driving record is key. Avoid tickets and accidents to help lower your premium over time. Safe drivers often receive better rates. Insurance companies offer various discounts, whether it's for being a student, driving a car with safety features, or having completed a defensive driving course. Check to see if you're eligible. Instead of paying monthly, consider paying your premium for the whole year upfront. This can help you avoid additional charges and get a slight discount. In Brampton, if you don't drive often, a usage based insurance plan could be a good fit. These plans track your driving habits and can lower your premium if you drive safely or infrequently. That's all for the video.